Let's learn mulesoft. Today I'll show you how to use choice router. The choice router dynamically routes messages through a flow according to a set of expressions that evaluate message content. Each expression is associated with a routing option. The effect is to add conditional processing similar to if else, if then else code block that you would see in most programming languages. This flow contains HTTP acquisition layer. Choice router is used to set payload according to the country US, Russia, India. Data wave expression used in choice router is HTTP query parameters dot country. If country is USA, then set payload to its capital, Washington DC. If country is Russia, set payload to Moscow. If country does not match the above two conditions, then default to the capital of India, New Delhi. Observe the test results. Capital of each country is written based on the two-letter country code provided as query parameter. This is the XML configuration used for choice router. Evaluate data wave expression and check country specified in query parameters. For the full configuration file, refer my GitHub repository. Link in video description.